Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Beauty Spot. Everyone wants to lose weight and look healthy and fit. Do you want to know how I lost weight and got rid of my belly fat? Then stay tuned because today I'm going to share with you my secret weight loss remedy that transforms ordinary water into a powerful belly fat burner. To make this magical water, you'll need 2 liters of water in a jug, 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, 1 lemon, thinly sliced, 1 medium cucumber, thinly sliced, and 12 mint leaves. Now add all of these ingredients to the jug of water. Ginger decreases inflammation, stimulates digestion, and suppresses your appetite. These properties lead some people to believe that ginger may promote weight loss. When you take ginger and lemon together for weight loss, you're getting a much-needed extra boost for keeping your body healthy. Lemon juice may act as an appetite suppressant, in addition to containing high amounts of vitamin C. Cucumbers are low in calories and contain a good amount of water and soluble fiber, making them the ideal promotion of hydration and aid in weight loss. Mix it well and leave it on overnight in the refrigerator so that the water gets infused with all the goodness. Drink this water before breakfast and drink 4 to 5 glasses throughout the day. You will see amazing results. You'll feel like you've lost a pound after the first 2 hours. Regular consumption of this water will melt your belly fat and get rid of stubborn bloating. You'll be amazed to see that your body will get back in shape and your belly fat will be gone. I hope you liked my video. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.